Well, hi. Well, I'm making a French oven roasted chicken with potatoes and carrots in the oven, in my Dutch oven in there, and I'm going to show you how. Watch this. We're going to start with some sherry, onion, celery, carrot, a little bit of dry herb, a little bit of garden herbs, salt and pepper. I'm going to chop up some celery, throw it in a bowl. And I'm going to use about an onion and a half here. I had a half in the fridge. I'm going to just cut this one up. And this one. Chop, chop, chop. This is a great chicken. It's a French roasted Dutch oven chicken because, I guess because of the sherry, the cooking sherry. I'm going to peel my carrots here real quick, one at a time. And we all know I'm lazy. I don't chop them up. I leave them long and Bugs Bunny-like, the way I like them. Get those ends off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the bowl and set aside. This is all going to go underneath the chicken with some potatoes. Little russets, you know, whatever kind you want to use. I got a little fresh parsley still, garden still going. I'm going to cut a little bit of that up. And I got a little bit of dry herbs, oregano, salt and pepper. And I do need the olive oil spray in the can. I like it to put in the bottom of my Dutch oven because I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, lots of salt and pepper. And then I'm going to put it in that hot pan. I have it heating up over there. And I'm going to sear it a little bit on the outside. Make sure I cover all the sides. Put a little salt down the cavity. I put a little lemon juice inside also. A little squirt of the lemon. I'm putting onion powder and garlic powder to get a little crusty flavor on the outside of the chicken. It's about a 4 or 5 pound chicken, I think. And it's Gerber chicken. It's the best, most tender chicken you could buy. If you could find it, Gerber. I'm going to slice that lemon. Guess I didn't put it on the inside, but it'll go on there somewhere along the line. I'm going to sear both sides a little bit just to get a little bit of a crust of flavor on my chicken. Takes a little while to sear it, and while it's in there, I think I'm gonna add a little paprika. You can add whatever kind you like, spicy, hot, smoky, just for color and a little extra flavor and richness. And I'm gonna get that nice and hot and try to pick it up. It's always hard for me. Yep, I'm gonna flip it over. And got a little crust on there. I'm going to get the other side a little crusty. And then I'm going to take that chicken and I'm going to set it aside. Oh, well, you caught me cleaning up. I got my chicken in here, ready to go in the oven at 325 degrees. And I'm going to leave it in there for 2 hours. Let me show it to you. Oh, I have to bring you over here. Let's see, it might be hot because I did some cooking on top. Oh, there it is. It's all ready. It's ready to go. I threw a few potatoes, carrots in there, waiting for that oven to get nice and hot. I did braise the chicken a little bit in there. You'll see in the video here. Just had to show you before I put it in the oven. Anyway, I'm going to go start editing my video while my food's cooking for 2 hours. See you. So, in the oven, 325. Help me, Michael. Thank you. Put it in there for 2 hours and don't open it. 3:25. Now I'm going to have that little break I've been waiting for while I'm waiting.
Well, we're waiting 2 hours. It's on 3:25, and I don't know.
Well, there it is after 2 hours. The potatoes are tender, carrots are tender. It looks beautiful. I'm going to plate it. There you go, with some parsley around. Of course, I got all that parsley from my herb garden. Let it sit for a while, and I'll tell you, you don't even need a knife. It's just fork tender. Come on, Michael, let's eat. It smells so good. Like I said, fork tender. I barely had to cut this leg and thigh. It just came right off. The white meat is just like cutting butter. It is so tender. We love it. And you'll love it too. French roasted Dutch oven chicken with vegetables. Strive to be happy.